Today I am going to show you CulturalMotion AI, a deep learning based classification of traditional dance forms. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type python manage.py run server. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. This is our project's index page. This project has divided into three modules: admin, model builder and user. Let's see what are the functionalities of admin. Admin credentials are admin and admin. This is our admin's dashboard. Admin can upload dataset, and these are the stats of dataset. Admin can view all users who are registered, and also admin can view all the feedbacks. And next module is model builder. Model builder credentials are builder and builder. So model builder can view dataset. And pre-process this data. We applied image resizing, horizontal flip, rotational augmentation, zoom transformation and constant enhancement in pre-processing steps. After that, after the pre-processing, we train the model. I have used efficient net to train the images and I got 79% accuracy. These are the training stats. And log out. Next, a user should register first. After registration, can log in. Let me log in with my credentials. So here user can predict the dance form by uploading the image. Let me choose an image. And it is predicted as Kathak. So if you upload a different data image, so it will predict different. So for example, if I upload Bharatanatyam image, so it will predict as Bharatanatyam. So it is predicted as Bharatanatyam. Okay. So and also view all the history, and also user can send feedback to admin and log out.